project finance underwriting, but it will probably also have an impact on the pre-selection of contractors for major programs. So I think it is very important that contractors and owners do pay attention to how we should be linking data together. Now here's another example of new thinking, and it's perhaps slightly heretical. It's not something that you would necessarily see in traditional project management literature, but here's my thinking. When we're linking project controls and BIM, one does not simply have one work breakdown structure. We need to be thinking multiple structures. It makes it much easier to manage the data, and here's why. Let's suppose we have a model object. For example, in this visual here, a single circular section column highlighted in yellow in that reinforced concrete frame grid. And typically the sort of thing that we need to do to manage that object and to manage that object in a project controls environment is we need to link that column to several pieces of data. And I'm going to be concentrating here on the project controls data, but Graham will take that forward later to look at other pieces of technical data. But from the project controls side, the first thing that we need is we need a location for that column quite clearly. For example, a building, a floor, a zone. Because one of the things that's important in controls is to start to look at your progress in particular areas of a project, not just overall. And we also need to link that column to a work breakdown structure, for example, how we might be pricing or constructing the work. So if we take the reinforced concrete frame example, we might have 4 items of work there: provision of concrete, placing of concrete, formwork, and reinforcement. That might be how the work